Hey there, Jay Moore from Aweber here, and I've got some exciting new things to share with you, like two-step pop-up forms and recurring subscription and payment plans. With two-step pop-up, you can add a button to your landing page, so anybody clicking that button will be presented with a pop-up. That pop-up could contain a form, an image, a video, text, and more. And now with Aweber's e-commerce element, you can set up recurring subscription payments or even payment plans that'll make it easier for your customers to pay for your subscriptions or buy your products. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay on top of everything that's new here at Aweber. Until next time.